Hi, this is Robin Sampson with BibleJournalLove.com. This is a real quick video to show you how I clip a layer onto your digital Bible. I have the Bible template open in Photoshop, and now I just need to make sure that I'm on the correct layer to drag and drop the watercolor paper on the layer over the page. And here I am right over the page, the right page layer. And then I'm going to right click and select Create Clipping Mask. And that clips the watercolor paper to the page. It's really very simple. Now I just do it again to the other side. The same thing, put it over the layer, select the layer, and choose Clipping Mask. For more on Bible journaling, go to BibleJournalLove.com.